I bet y'all thought I was done with videos, but I'm not. So anyway, hopefully this one, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish this explanation here on this one, but I certainly will try. So we have here just a little demonstration on our tertiary colors. The more that I thought about this, the more I said, you know what, the tertiary colors are going to be the hardest for you guys to do. Now, there was a couple of these, like the red violet. You have a step-by-step little sheet, like right here. You remember that sheet that shows you how to mix that. I also, on the blue-green on the previous video, I mixed up for that as well. So I'll focus on some of these other colors that are left over that may be a little bit more difficult to mix up. So anyway, so you can see how the little circles, the little tertiaries, are supposed to look like on here, and we'll flip back and forth and all of those things to get to that point there. So we have our red orange. Now the red orange, you would assume would be your red and your orange, and you could do that. You have that in your pack. We do actually have in our pack here, we do have a red orange. Now, one thing to note, this red orange is really super duper similar to this red whenever it's put down. That is a problem. So what the solution that I've found to make things work, make things flow, make it make sense, and make it look good, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up putting down orange first for your red orange. All right, so I may be hurriedly doing these little things just to kind of get through what needs to happen, but hopefully you'll get the gist out of what's going. So I'm putting orange first. Okay, and then I'm going to end up doing my red orange, going relatively light right here on my outline. We're making it transparent, as you can see. And I'm going through all the steps. I'm not really saying much, but I'm going through what needs to happen there. So, all right, so you see, like if there was red here, there is a bit of a difference there. If there is orange here, there's a bit of a difference there. It's a good in between. If you feel like you need, like if there's not that, you know, if you need to add some more of the red orange to it just to make it darker, just kind of going circular, you certainly can. Okay, so you see that. Okay, so your yellow, the yellow orange. All right, so that, what you're going to end up doing here is you're going to add your yellow first and your orange second. Your yellow is the lightest color, so therefore you're going to end up adding that first. It's hard with the yellow because it's hard to see if you're even or not. You could probably see better on my screen than what I can actually see. So we've got orange, and you can see yellow. The main thing is there's a nice flow between the two. There's a good difference going on with that. Okay, so we have our yellow and our green. I'll go ahead and just mark the green here. All right, so I do have, actually in your pack, your 12 pack, you have a yellow green right there. One thing that I do actually to this is I'll do the same thing that I did with the yellow orange. This is just gonna brighten things up, honestly. Just adding like a little base of yellow will just kind of help to bring out the other colors. All right, and then I'm going to apply my yellow green right there. And what I wanted is I wanted a definite difference between this green and the actual secondary color green right there. Okay, so you can see that. So we're not doing this one just simply because I've done it before. The blue violet. I'm just gonna make a little slash here for you guys to see. So the color that's actually the lightest here, believe it or not, is blue. Violet is the darkest color on your color wheel. These are really similar in nature. I have to actually read the colors on the color pencil to make sure that I have my right color. So what I'm doing, and this is what I do with all my colors, like I'm trying to match this blue right here, basically, when I'm adding my base color. This color could get really dark really quick, so I'm being extremely light with my application. It may not look like that, but I'm being very conservative with that. So, you know, just to reiterate, you want there to be a difference between the blue and the purple. You want there to be a nice little range right there, and that's for everything else that you do with your tertiary colors. So hopefully that helps. As you can see, things are relatively transparent right there. This is the final product. So all right, let me know if I can help you out.